Fourth of July, 2007.
What'd you find? What did you find? Did you find a rock?
And we're eating a crab cookout. Jessica's dad's house.
There you go.
That's the
Here you go. You want this?
mess.
You want your rock? Say thank you. Say thank you.
It's going to go through these years. But it is worth it.
We got the kid band going on. I didn't think she's got a flute or something. What were you doing? You blowing on that, Nadia?
No. Sit on your fanny. Sit down. Big dog.
Right over there. Whoops. Hey, you want to get some Cheerios? Yeah, there's some Cheerios right there. Yeah, what do you think about this place?
Jay, how do you open this thing?
So, come to this high chair often? Yeah, kind of my height. Oh, but I'm gonna get this chair over here.
Avery, you want a hot dog?
All right, Nadia at the crab cookout.
Nadia, sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, please. Oh, she's gonna fall right through there. There you go. Ready? Here. No. Here you go. You want some crab? You got a bite. What do you think of that Old Bay, huh?
You like that?
What a champ.
You like that, Nadia?
Is that hot? Is the spice getting to her? Yeah, you don't know.
I'm not too sure. Is that good?
Sit down. Nadia. Nadia, sit down. No, I'm telling you to sit down. Sit down. Sit down, please. Good job. Okay, here.